Hello everyone, especially you, university and college students. I'm going to show you an app through which you can read high quality textbooks in various subjects. It's called University Library app. As you can see, the app also has entertaining features including radio stations, blogs, events, tools, and even news. Let's take a look at some of the features. For example, textbooks, the radio, the news, and so much more. The app is available for Android and iPhone on the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Download it now and start experiencing an easy and hassle-free study life.